A nofollow link is a tag that tells search engines that you don't want them to click the link, and therefore you will pass absolutely no link authority to that website. You would use nofollow for links in the comments, irrelevant or poor sites, paid links, or for links that show up multiple times on one page. Setting up nofollow for individual links is pretty easy. You just add this snippet of code into the A flag. And yes, it really is that simple. If you prefer to not even mess with code, there are plugins and extensions available. On WordPress, you can add the attribute on a link-by-link basis with a plugin like Ultimate Nofollow. On Drupal, you get the simply titled link, and Joomla has Meta Nofollow. Now that we've covered nofollow, let's take a quick look at follow links. To use follow links, all you have to do is nothing. They are all follow links by default. In general, you want follow links to be the norm, so you'll want to use them the majority of the time. Keeping your links open like this will let search engines more accurately map your website. Links are the backbone of the internet. Both nofollow links and follow links are tools that serve specific purposes at specific times. For more information, check out the blog post linked in the description. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.